Yelyu Geo Park. This is part 4 of our Klook tour. Grabe no, in just one day, sobrang dami namin nagawa. Kaya ako nasabi na sulit Klook tour itong ginawa namin kasi we got to visit 4 amazing places in Taiwan. Tried a lot of good eats, tiring kasi sobrang daming lakad and akyat ng stairs but super worth it. Yelyu Geo Park is a special place. It's considered a natural geological classroom and a truly unique landscape. They call this the Martian landscape of Taiwan.
Ito.
Maganda.
Ako, may dagat. Swerte kami hindi pa umuulan kasi ang weather prediction is uulan nga daw.
Located in northern Taiwan, specifically in Wanli District, New Taipei City, this amazing wonder is sculpted by sea erosion, wind weathering, and crustal movements over thousands of years. This extraordinary coastal park is home to Taiwan's most famous rock formation. It's just amazing how the world carved this by wind and sea. It's a truly geological marvel. This is the most iconic rock here, the Queen's Head. This is the view from the back since the line in front was so long, and we only had around 30 minutes to roam around Yelyu Geo Park. This is a statue of one of Taiwan's heroes. Some of the iconic rocks here are the fairy shoe, sea candles, mushroom, ginger, honeycomb, and tofu rocks. There's also a cute princess. Some say that the Queen's Head is very fragile. I'm just so happy that I was able to see it while it's still there. This is a rare natural wonder. Some even compare it to the surface of Mars. Actually, 30 minutes is not enough to roam around and see all these beautiful rock formations. The park stretches 1.7 kilometers along the coast. It's worth seeing at least once in your life because it's a combination of natural beauty, scientific value, and cultural significance. Once you're done touring the park, there's a market outside where you could buy food, drinks, and seafood. Such a short side trip, but I'm feeling so blessed to be able to see it at least once, and the weather that day is so nice.
Tapos na yung tour, pabalik na kami sa Taipei Main Station. Ano pinakaman nagustuhan mo?
Jufen.
Jufen! Ang dami namin nakain sa Jufen, grabe. Kung gusto niya talaga mag-food trip, doon talaga. Ang problem lang, puro lakaran, tas pataas, tas maraming stairs. Si Daddy bumigay yung tuhod, sumakit. Pero, nasulitan ako dito sa Klook tour na to. Ang ganda nung Jufen Waterfalls. Nag-enjoy kami magpalipad ng lantern. Ang ganda nung Jufen. Ang daming masarap na food. And itong Yelyu, okay din siya makisa.
Yeah.
Diba? At least once. Pagod?
Yeah.
Kaya pa mag-night market?
No.
Oh, no! Ganyan talaga pag may kasamang makukulits. Third day na namin sa Taiwan, di pa kami nakakapag-night market.
Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more travel and food videos. Bye!